right, welcome back. It's going to be another great week here at Maple Motors. I've got several new rides to show you, and don't forget, these rides are so new, they're not even available yet. You're getting the first look here, and that's why I call these videos sneak peeks. And again, they're so new that sometimes we don't even have a price on them yet, and that's the case this time. Maple Motors has said that on some of these, they're not even going to price them until Monday. So I thought an interesting experiment was I'd like to ask you guys what you think they'll be priced at, or what they should be priced at. Let me know in the comments what you think it should be priced at. And before we get started, don't forget that you can become a channel member and see this video a day early. And as an added bonus, there's also girls in the video. If you want to see that version, you can scan this QR code and it'll take you to my homepage where you can click join and follow the sign up instructions to become a channel member. You can also click on the post tab of my channel and see where I've posted the membership only version. Click on that and follow the sign up instructions. Let's work our way down the front row to the first new ride we're going to be looking at, a 1968 Chevy Chevelle. Let me know what you guys think it'll be priced at. Let's take a look. Right next door, our next new ride we're looking at is this 1972 Chevy Chevelle. Let's take an exclusive first look. Over here in Corvette Corner, we got another 1972 Chevy Corvette. Let's take a look. Moving on down this row, next up you're looking at a 1968 Chevy Camaro. How much do you think this one's worth? Let's take a look at it. Next up, gotta love a Chevy Nova. This one's a 1970 model. Let's check out the inside and out. we didn't forget about you truck guys. We got a couple of new ones on the lot. First up, we got a 1978 Ford F100. Let's have a look. Last but not least, I don't remember the last time I saw one of these on the lot. It's a 1972 Chevy K10 4x4. It's priced at $22,900. Let's take a look. And then lastly, we're going to peek into the showroom. Got a pretty decent variety this week. Looking forward to all these test drives. As always, let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, and we'll see who gets closest to the right price. You can see that at maplemotors.com. Around noon on Monday, they should be updating their website with all these new rides, with more detailed info and prices. So if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the first look at all the new rides on the lot before they hit the market. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.